Welcome to ODL SPeCTRUM, your gateway to a flexible and interactive learning experience. This platform offers a variety of tools to enhance your studies, including forums for discussion, messaging for communication, and a dashboard to organize your courses and tasks. Logging into ODL SPeCTRUM is simple. Visit odl.um.edu.my and enter your SysWmail, and you'll be ready to start your learning journey. The dashboard acts as your central hub, offering a quick overview of your enrolled courses, upcoming assignments, and deadlines, helping you stay on track. Regularly check it to stay informed throughout the semester. To access your courses, simply click on the course names listed on your dashboard. Inside, you'll find lecture notes, assignments, and resources organized for your learning. Read the instructions in each module and follow the steps to complete your tasks and stay on track. Communication is key in ODL SPeCTRUM. Use forums to join discussions, ask questions, and share ideas with your classmates and instructors. For private or group messages, the messaging tool allows direct communication. These features will help you to stay connected and engaged. Now, let's see what you can do to stay organized as an ODL student. The timeline on your dashboard is a powerful tool that helps you keep track of all your upcoming activities and deadlines. Use it to stay organized and ensure you're always aware of what's coming up next in your course. You also need to check your notifications regularly for any updates. Having a difficult time? Let's see what we can do to help you. Having trouble logging in? Check your SysWmail for any typos or visit the Help Desk for assistance. Make sure you complete confirmation of registration in the Maya portal. If your course content or materials are not visible, don't worry. Here are a few steps to help you troubleshoot the issue. If your course is loading slowly, please ensure a stable internet connection or access during non-peak hours to avoid server congestion. Encountering errors can be frustrating. Try troubleshooting with these suggested steps to resolve the problem or contact support team if the issue persists. Congratulations on completing this introduction to ODL SPeCTRUM. You're now equipped with the basics to navigate and make the most of the platform. Best of luck with your learning journey.